Welcome this presentation on the global economy and market integration. In today's interconnected world, it's essential to understand how economies interact and impact each other. The global economy is a complex system that affects us all, from the good we eat and products we buy. The global economy refers to the collective economic activity of all countries considered as a single entity and encompasses international trade, investment, and the flow of goods and services. The global economy is often referred to as the world economy, which highlights its global nature. Market integration occurs when prices of related goods and services in different locations move in sync with each other. This indicates a high level of economic connection between countries. High integration promotes economic efficiency, competition, and growth. It allows countries to specialize in producing goods and services in which they have a comparative advantage. There are several benefits to market integration. It promotes economic efficiency by allowing countries to produce goods and services at the lowest possible cost. It also promotes competition, which drives innovation and improves product quality. Additional market integration promotes economic growth by increasing trade and investment. How market integration also has its challenges. One of the main challenges is the risk of economic instability. When countries are highly integrated, they can be affected by economic shocks in other countries. Another challenges is the potential for job losses and income inequality. When countries specialize in producing certain goods and services, some workers may lose their jobs or see their wages decline. There are four key factors that facilitate globalization. 1. International organization like the World Trade Organization and the International Monetary Fund play a crucial role in promoting globalization. These organizations set rules and standards for international trade and finance. Non-governmental organizations also play an important role in promoting globalization. These organizations advocate for social and environmental causes and promote corporate social responsibility. 3. Transnational corporations are companies that operate in multiple countries. These companies play a key role in promoting globalization by investing in foreign countries and creating jobs. 4. IMF provides financial assistance to countries facing economic difficulties and promotes International Monetary Corporation. The IMF also provides advice and guidance to countries on economic policy and reform. Understanding the global economy and market integration is crucial in today's world. By recognizing the factors that facilitate globalization, we can better navigate the complexities of international trade and economics. We can also identify opportunities for economic growth and development and address the challenges posed by globalization.